Alright, for today we're going to see how to create and send an RFI. RFIs are meaning, this is a request for information, you know that. This is used when there is a clarification that needs to be done for the drawings, for the request for pricing. So we send it to the client. So sometimes this happens during while doing a takeoff or during when you are pricing the estimate that we are preparing for the client. So first off, you go on to the opportunity and find the opportunity that you need a RFI for, and go to the RFI tab. Make sure that you are on edit mode. Add a line. Right, so you see there's no RFIs requested for this opportunity just yet, so we're going to create one. And then just choose the date when you are requesting the RFI, and you may want to send it to someone else, right? Joanne Hagasur. Okay, so I'm going to send that to myself so that I can show you how it looks like later on. So it will automatically add a phone number, email, or fax if that's available in the system, and response required by date. When do you need, or when do you actually want them to, at least the maximum days you want them to respond. If you want them to respond today, they can always respond any day, right? So today, and then user, you the one who's creating the RFI, and requested by, who's requesting this. Let's just say, for example, that this is requested by Mark, right? And then what is your question? Question to clarification. You can write as many characters in here. Right, 4. And 10, this is the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog in the bank of a river. Alright, and then we're going to send it via an email, or a fax, or delivered. But right now we're going to send it via email. Now, then just close this. Right, so you see you do now have your RFI, and then how you're going to send it. Here you see that arrow with a an airplane button or character. See, click on that one, and then supposedly the contact person or the client's information will be automatically added, and then you may CC anyone that you want. And also don't forget, if you wanted to check how your RFI would look like, right, it will be an attachment, right? So it would look like this. There are your questions. The reason why we have to write the requested by name, because of course in our organization we wanted to know who actually is wanting to get the information for this. And then there you see, please send a response by 9:21, so meaning we wanted it today, at least, right, today. And then you can CC, like I said, you can CC anyone, and then you can also change these wordings if you wanted to say thanks, right? And also you can add an attachment if this is an issue of a drawing, or this is an issue of a mod, or whatever information that would help the GC identify what our question is. So you can add that in there. All right, so let me just, I'm not attaching anything, so let's send this over. All right, and then I'll show you how it would look like on the recipient's end. So that looks like this, right? So it was sent by me, of course, to me. So you see that? And then the RFI is an attachment, like I said. So they will see that and then they will respond to you. Right, so this is how you actually create and send an RFI to the clients for clarification.